Hello everyone. I would like to introduce the Gravity platform. Gravity platform is designed by dfrobot.com. Gravity is platform where you can connect a lot of sensors to your Arduino board without soldering. dfrobot.com offers a lot of shields, modules with sensors and also own Arduino compatible boards. Now you see Arduino compatible shield. If you sometimes have the problem with the power supply, it means you didn't have much power supply pins. With this shield, you won't have this problem. The board has own power supply pins for each communication pin. Also, there are two special 4 pins for I2C bus, one connector for SPI, which can be used for micro SD card. There is also connector for Bluetooth module APC220. You have an option what voltage of logic 1 you want. Just choose between 5 volts or 3.3 volts. The board also contains reset button. The board can be powered through Arduino board or externally through power input. The range of power voltage is from 7 volts to 12 volts. The board has socket for XB or Bluetooth B boards. Your Arduino board easily gets wireless interface thanks to the Gravity Shield. The Arduino Gravity Shield offers much opportunity for your development. As I mentioned, dfrobot.com sells a lot of modules with sensors. I chose only 5 of them. The current sensor measures the current up to 20 amperes. The board is powered from 5 volts and the output is analog. As you can see, the thickness of board is extraordinary. You have to measure up to 20 amperes, so it has to be. Other sensor is analog UV sensor with ML8511 sensor. The photodiode is sensitive to UVA and UVB, and the board has amplifier on board. The board is also powered from 5 volts. I'm 100% sure that you know the BMP280 sensor by Bosch. It measures temperature and also pressure. dfrobot.com offers own BMP280 sensor board, which is fully compatible with the Gravity platform. This is accelerometer board. It contains LIS 2DH accelerometer. The board includes more header pins, which are ready for outputs of interrupt, power, and I2C communication interface. The last board is OLED display. The resolution of display is 128 to 64 pixels, and the display chip is SSD 1306. This display is supported by libraries for displays like U8G library and Adafruit library. When you order some sensor board, you get wires for easy connection. Thanks for your watching and don't forget to follow timeforee.com.